For daily hacks of human body, subscribe our YouTube channel, then tap to bell icon to be notified our newest video. Amazing health benefits of jicama. Jicama is a globe-shaped root vegetable with papery, golden brown skin and a starchy white interior. It's the root of a plant that produces beans similar to lima beans. However, the beans of the jicama plant are toxic. Here are 5 health and nutrition benefits of jicama. 1. High in antioxidants. Jicama contains several antioxidants, which are beneficial plant compounds that help prevent cell damage. 1 cup of jicama contains nearly half of the RDI for the antioxidant vitamin C. It also contains the antioxidants vitamin E, selenium and beta-carotene. Antioxidants help protect against cell damage by counteracting free radicals, the harmful molecules that cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been linked to chronic diseases including cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases and cognitive decline. Fortunately, diets high in antioxidant-rich foods like jicama can help fight oxidative stress and may decrease the risk of developing chronic diseases. 2. Promotes digestion. Dietary fiber helps increase the bulk of stool. This helps it move more smoothly through your digestive tract. 1 cup of jicama contains 6.4 grams of fiber, which can help you meet your daily goals. Additionally, jicama contains a type of fiber called inulin. Studies show that inulin can increase the frequency of bowel movements by up to 31% in those with constipation. Jicama is also high in water, which may help ease constipation. Foods with a high water content like jicama can help you meet your daily fluid needs. 3. Good for your gut bacteria. Jicama is high in inulin, which is a prebiotic fiber. A prebiotic is a substance that can be used by the bacteria in your body, resulting in health benefits. While your digestive system is unable to digest or absorb prebiotics such as inulin, the bacteria in your gut can ferment them. A diet high in prebiotics increases the population of good bacteria in your gut and decreases the number of unhealthy bacteria. Studies have shown that the types of bacteria in your gut may affect your weight, immune system and even mood. 4. May reduce the risk of cancer. Jicama contains the antioxidant vitamins C and E, selenium and beta-carotene. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals that can lead to cell damage and cancer. Also, jicama is a good source of dietary fiber. 1 cup contains more than 6 grams of fiber. Dietary fiber is well known for its protective effects against colon cancer. 1 study showed that people who ate more than 27 grams of dietary fiber per day had a 50% lower risk of developing colon cancer, compared to those who ate less than 11 grams. 5. May boost heart health. Jicama has numerous nutrients that make it an excellent choice for improving heart health. It contains a significant amount of soluble dietary fiber, which may help lower cholesterol levels by preventing bile from being reabsorbed in the intestines, as well as preventing the liver from making more cholesterol. Jicama also contains potassium, which helps lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels. For example, 1 study showed that potassium decreased blood pressure and protected against heart disease and stroke. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.